Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to compare two of the most popular AIs of the today, which is ChatGPT and Google Bard. Google Bard is still under the experiment, as you can see here in the top left. But what I'm going to do is make an application, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript application, same application using ChatGPT as well as using Google Bard to compare the results of both of them. Let's begin. So I'm in my VS Code. I'm going to make two folders, one for ChatGPT and one for Bard. In here, we need three files. I'm going to copy paste this folder for the Bard as well. All right, let's make this application first with ChatGPT. I will give ChatGPT prompts to give me the code for that, and let's see how does it go. Okay, here it has given me some HTML code. Let me copy this, paste in my HTML. Let's copy CSS, paste it here. Let's copy JavaScript code and paste it here in my JavaScript. My bad. This one is CSS. Copy JavaScript again and paste here. And let's run this. How does it look in the browser? Not field, I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Wow. And this application is just running. Let's try to make it beautiful by giving it more commands. Let's see how far does it go. Let me copy the HTML code because it has been generated. Paste here. Let me replace the CSS. And let me just refresh it. Oh, wow. This is looking so beautiful. Let me click on to it. This to it button is not still working, but the layout has improved so much. I think there's a limit for writing the JavaScript response, so it has exceeded that. Let's ask ChatGPT to only provide JavaScript again. Let's copy this updated JavaScript code and paste, replace this one with this one. And let's go here. Oh wow, good. Every time it changes color as well. That is very interesting. Sorry, something went wrong. So let's ask ChatGPT again to fix this. And if I click on tweet button, now it is actually trying to share it on my Twitter as well. Let's paste this error in the ChatGPT and see if it can fix it. Let's ask him to fix it. It is giving course error. Fix it. But this thing is already there. Let's ask him to not even use. Don't use course. Thing is, I can install an extension to help ChatGPT course Chrome. So this code was working, right? After that, it started giving errors. So let me just try to give one more command. In the following code, implement dark layout, but don't add course. Let's implement it again. Let's see what we got this time. Okay. Okay, the thing is, like when I click on it, it changes colors as well. That is nice. I click on new code and it comes out like this. So that's what we got from ChatGPT. Now I'm gonna jump to Bard to make the same thing. I'm going to give the same commands as well. I'm not going to give the other commands. The first command I gave was this one. What it has done is like provided all of the code in one file and not separately in one HTML file. I will ask Bard to provide it into different files, but let's see what we got. Let's run it. Okay, that is how it is coming up. Let's give it a couple of more commands. Give HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code separately. Okay, now it has separated it. Let me copy this, paste it here, paste this one to CSS, paste this one. No, that's fine. Paste this here. Okay, let's see it again. It's doing the same thing, but this time it just separated that. Let's give it the next command. Okay, so I've given it a command to improve the layout. It again uses one file. I don't know like why it prefers one file. This is not good. And the color scheme that the Bard has picked is also not really good. Let's see. We can give more commands. That is very interesting. It says like it looks like you may want to help me with the coding, but I'm not trained to do that yet. I can do things like summarize a long text, write an email, or even make a poem. Is there something else that I would like to try? So clearly, from this, ChatGPT is the winner. Like if you wanna get help with the coding, definitely ChatGPT can help you learn coding faster and more than that a Google Bard. Yeah, definitely there are some things that can go in as an improvement for ChatGPT as well. But clearly, Google Bard is admitting that it is not trained to help with the coding. And the result that we had got from this one is clearly far, far better than what we have got here. For an experiment, explain me the code. Does it explain? And it doesn't even explain the code, while ChatGPT does that for us. So if you're coding and need a little edge or need extra help, go for ChatGPT. Explain me the code. And it goes on for the explanation as well. So that's pretty nice. Like it goes on like why it added class and what it does, stuff like that. Clearly, ChatGPT is the winner. I'll see you next time with a new video with a new content. And for this video, that's it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.